Often in life, in order to do a calculation that you need, you have to get all your dimensions into the same units. So here are some common units and their equivalent amounts that you will be asked to use. So in this first question, it says calculate the requested unit conversions. So they want us to convert 25.25 hours into however many seconds that is equal to. That will be one calculation. And then they're asking us to convert 25.25 hours into how many days that is equal to. So that'll be a second calculation. So first of all, we are comparing hours and seconds. So let's go back to our formula sheet. Now I've left these blank because everybody knows these ones. How many seconds are in 1 minute? 60. How many minutes are in 1 hour? 60. How many seconds are in 1 hour? So there's 60 seconds in a minute and then 60 minutes in an hour. So 6 times 6 is 36 with the 2 zeros. So there's 3,600 seconds in 1 hour. And that's what we are comparing, seconds and hours. So let's write down the words of what we're going to put on top and what we're going to put on bottom. So our ratio rule of seconds compared with hours is, what did I put on top here? Seconds. So 3,600 seconds is equal to 1 hour. So we're going to write 3,600 seconds is equal to 1 hour. Put your seconds and your hours units there just to make sure we keep the same units on top and the same units on the bottom. So now they're giving us 25.25 hours, and they want us to find how many seconds that is equivalent to. So we are looking for x. So this is our proportion. Double check that you got the same units on top and bottom. Yeah, seconds are on top in both cases and hours are on bottom in both cases. So now we can cross multiply. Bracket times bracket equals bracket times bracket. 3,600 or 3,600 to say it properly, times 25.25 hours is equal to 1 hour. Hours. 1 hour times x seconds. Don't put the units in here though, because that'll just mess you up. We already have x as our variable. So this equals 90,900 times 1x. You want to get x by itself, so you divide both sides by what you want to get rid of. So x equals 90,900 seconds. 90,900 seconds in the answer box. So we now know 25.25 hours is equal to 90,900 seconds, and now we want to know what that is equal to in days. So let's go back to our rules. It doesn't tell us days. So 1 day is equal to, we want to compare days and hours, or days and seconds. Well, we know there's 24 hours in 1 day. So that would be the easier one to use. So 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So day, hours. You could put hours on top. It doesn't matter as long as you stay consistent. So x days is equal to 90,009. Oh, that's seconds. That's wrong. X days is equal to 25.25 hours, and our ratio rule was 1 day is equal to 24 hours. And now we will cross multiply our proportion. Leave the units out of it, so x times 24 equals 1 times 25.25. So 24x equals 25.25. Then you want to get x by itself, so divide by what you want to get rid of. X equals 1.0521, and that was days. So in conclusion, 25.25 hours is equal to 90,900 seconds, and those are both equal to 1.0521 days.